In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with an Etsy gift card. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or a newcomer to Etsy, using a gift card is a straightforward process that can make your online shopping experience even more enjoyable. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Etsy website. If you're not already logged in, you might be prompted to do so. Simply enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to start shopping and add those items you love to your shopping cart. Etsy offers a wide variety of unique products from talented creators, so take your time to explore and select the items you want to purchase. After you've filled your cart with your chosen items, you'll want to proceed to checkout. This is where you'll finalize your purchase, so make sure everything in your cart is correct. At the checkout screen, you'll see a few different sections, and one of these will be dedicated to payment options. This is where the magic of the gift card comes into play. Look for the option that says Redeem a gift card or promo code. This is usually located under the payment section. Click on this option and a field will appear where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code from your gift card and then click Apply. This will automatically deduct the gift card amount from your total order cost. Here's a useful tip. If your gift card balance covers the full cost of your order, you won't need to provide any additional payment method. However, if your gift card only covers a portion of your total, you'll need to select another payment method to cover the remaining balance. Etsy supports additional payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, or Google Pay, so choose the option that's most convenient for you. Once you've applied your gift card and any other necessary payment method, review your order details to ensure everything is correct. This includes checking the shipping address and delivery options. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your purchase. You'll receive an order confirmation shortly, and your items will be on their way to you. And that's it. Using an Etsy gift card is a convenient and easy way to purchase items on the platform, and now you know exactly how to do it. Remember, if you ever have any issues or questions, Etsy's customer support is available to help. Happy shopping and enjoy your new finds.